here we go. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the kings were sick, and all the kings did. Couldn't Humpty get again. Alright, next one we're going to do is Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Little Miss Muffet. Now remember, smile, have a good time, and look at your parents. Here we go. Little Miss Muffet sat on the tuffet, eating her berries and whey. Along came the spider and sat down beside her and frolicked Miss Muffet away. Hey diddle diddle. Ready? Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cat jumped over the moon. All right, show me your spiders. Here we go. The itsy bitsy spider came up the water spout. Down came the rain and flushed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider put up the spout again. And the last nursery rhyme I want you to share is Twinkle Twinkle, so show me your stars. Okay, and everybody look out towards your parents, okay? They want to be able to get good pictures of you. Here you go. Twinkle, twinkle, little